Hey there, are you looking for an easy way to earn some extra cash? Maybe you're trying to pay off some bills, save up for something special, or just want a little extra spending money. Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing research company that pays you for sharing your opinions in research studies. It's a simple and effective way to boost your income without a lot of hassle. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos on making money online. I regularly share tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. Also, let me know in the comments from which country you're watching. I'll create specific videos just for your region. Your feedback helps me tailor content that's most relevant to you. Alright, let's talk about survey feeds. This platform is designed to connect you with research studies that need your input. Survey Feeds is a reputable research and participant recruitment company that allows you to earn money simply by participating in research studies. It's a great way to make your opinions count and get paid for it. And yes, it's legit. You can actually earn rewards from the opportunities they offer. Many people have already benefited from this platform, and you can too. So, how do you get started? It's really simple and straightforward. First, you need to submit your profile to their database by completing a quick survey. This helps them match you with studies that are relevant to your interests and demographics. The Survey Feeds profile survey takes just a few minutes to complete, and once you're done, you'll be included in their participant database. This means you'll start receiving invitations to participate in studies that fit your profile. If a study matches your profile, you'll receive an invitation via email to participate. These invitations will provide all the details you need to decide if you want to take part. When you apply to participate in a research study or when you receive an invitation, the compensation for completing the study will be clearly indicated. This way, you know exactly what to expect in terms of payment. It will also tell you how you'll be paid. Survey Feeds offers various payment methods to ensure you get your earnings in the most convenient way possible. Typically, you'll get paid after each survey is completed. This means you don't have to wait long to see the fruits of your labor. And guess what? It's usually through convenient methods like PayPal or bank transfer. These options make it easy to access your money quickly and securely. So, there you have it. Survey Feeds is a reliable and efficient way to earn extra income by sharing your opinions. Survey Feeds is a fantastic way to turn your spare time into extra income. Whether you're looking to make some quick cash or just have some fun sharing your opinions, Survey Feeds has got you covered. It's a win-win situation where you get to voice your thoughts and get paid for it. If you've tried Survey Feeds, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences can help others decide if this is the right opportunity for them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and start earning with Survey Feeds today. It's time to make your opinions work for you. See you in the next video.